Hi, I'm Kate Davidson from Kate & Co. Design.
And I'm Rebecca Hay at Rebecca Hay Designs.
We're here today at the Interior Design Show.
It's the must-see show for every designer.
And we're here to show you 3 of our favorite things at the show this year.
So come along, we'll check it out.
So I'm here at the Matthew McCormick booth, and you can see the lighting is just spectacular. It's all custom made, and you can see he uses a variety of materials. I particularly love this piece called Halo. I can see this looking fantastic in a grand stairwell above your staircase. Wouldn't that be spectacular?
A booth that stands out this year at IDS and is extremely popular, everyone's checking it out, is the W Studio booth. It is full of beautiful, inspirational custom rugs inspired by watercolor, and they are absolutely divine.
This year we want to do something more different than ever before. And this year with the combination of me partnering up with Regina Sturak and the carpets behind me from Ariel Muller, I'm glad that finally I got them to participate. We love what we do. It's a lifetime passion.
I'm here at Surfaces & Co. and what you can see is these gorgeous custom mosaic tiles. It's showing you a really hot trend right now is about mixing materials. This tile here has brass and marble pulled together to create this beautiful floral pattern. And I especially love this. What it is, it's combining a glass tile that has gold leafing in it with the marble for a really geometric graphic pop.
Another great booth is the House of Roll booth. It has one of my favorite show-stopping tubs. It's the Victoria & Albert Bath Trevento tub. It's not your typical soaker tub. It is made of their very own technology. It's a volcanic limestone, and the properties of that make this tub so much warmer. It keeps the water nice and toasty for a really long time. It's not only beautiful, but it's so comfortable. So this could be the tub for you.
I'm here at the Distinctive Appliances booth, and look how gorgeous this range is. Now, customizing your home is better than ever. You can choose custom color for your range. They're actually painted at the Ferrari dealership in Italy. Now, if you're not as into color, the matte black here is a great option. Classic and timeless, and will work perfectly in any kitchen.
One of the hottest trends in design this year we are seeing all over the floor at IDS. It is my favorite trend, matte black fixtures. This faucet is called the Campo faucet, and it is here at the House of Roll booth. It has a fantastic, unique feature in the design. The top looks like a little wheel. And, you know, it's a single lever, but it looks like a traditional faucet. So it's a really neat blend. It's somewhat rustic in design, and I'd say it's probably one of my favorite faucets this year at this show.